Hey guys, welcome back to How to Daily. And in this video, I will show you how to get ungated on Amazon FBA grocery products. Alright, let's begin. Verify your account and seller information. You must have a professional seller account if you want to be ungated on Amazon. Also, your account must meet specific criteria: order error rate, 1%, cancellation rate before fulfillment, 2.5%, late shipping rate, 4%. Research the product. Search on Amazon to find a product that is gated in grocery. Find the acceptance criteria for that product and make sure you not only meet them but can demonstrate them before applying. If you do not meet the criteria or cannot provide evidence, your application will most likely be rejected, wasting your time and energy. Create an online store. Create a wholesale account and buy a product. If you do not already have an open account with a supplier, you must open one. Prepare your documents, scan and photocopy invoices as soon as your products arrive, and keep the originals in their original condition. Send your application. Here is Amazon's application process to get ungated in groceries. From the inventory menu, choose Add Product. Search for the item you want to sell. Look in the search results on the right side where it says Apply to Sale. Click the Apply to Sale button to start the application process. And that's it, you are done.